Soy sauce? You have soy sauce
Oh,
there?
oh.
Just rice.
Good. Let's go.
Lemon.
What Filipino usually do?
You're walking.
Walking here?
Just coffee and then eat something.
Really? Next time, let's try. Next month, I guess.
No.
You know, it's enough for 2 months, I guess. I'm uploading.
2 months, huh?
What they gonna eat, by the way, here? The bread?
The green one, and then there's also the something.
What tastes like?
Rice.
Just rice.
But let me.
Let's try
there's
one in one.
chocolate. Next time, because you
What?
won't come here next time.
두근두근. Oh. No.
You need your hand. The chef. 잘생겼어.
So big, shrimp.
Gwapo sa'yo.
Oh shit. No. How much did you buy this one?
$3.50.
350 per kilo, right?
You didn't eat for breakfast, right? Amazing.
Here? You sure? Okay. But I'm not sure.
Let's just go there.
Let's walk for. I need to find nice spot to be dead.
Can you swim from here to Cebu?
Me? No, I cannot. I can do that, but when I get the Cebu Island, I will be the one dead. Like someone catch my dead person. How to say 시체 in English? 시체, you know the body, dead body. Yeah, dead body.
My corpse? Your corpse?
Corpse? You call corpse?
Oh.
Yeah. When I get there, I'll be corpse. So deep, I think.
But it's clear, but it's not that.
I think I can jump here.
You want? You don't.
Here, so clean.
I know.
Let me check the water. How deep is the water? How deep is your love?
No one's.
What?
Oh, it's so cute. Oh my god.
Is it deep?
Lalom?
Nalon? Oh,
Lalom?
yes.
can swim there.
Okay.
But look at the fish.
무섭고 오늘 유난히 깨끗해. 운동 좀 더 하고 밥 먹으러 가야겠다. 태아랑 놀고 있어.
Hello everyone. So Youngmin is swimming over there. You cannot see him. Oppa! There's lots of oppas here. Yeah. I have nothing to talk about. Look at this. Ali. Ali, say hi there. Ali. Come.
물이 미지근해. 아이 좋아. 아이 좋아. 오늘 못 시작 같아. 원래 You need this one?
Wait.
It's not deep here. Still. Go swim. I need. Go swim. I will check you swimming. Go.
I don't swim here.
Why?
I'm scared.
Okay, go to there. From here to there.
Yeah.
Go. See, look at them. Oh, here, to here. Come.
I can do floating.
What? What?
Floating.
What's that? Ah, go ahead.
Over there.
Full No.
No. I can't do that.
Ah, shit. What's that? Seagrass?
Eat.
No. Okay, last set. FPG, I gotta go. You just got in the water, but you have to eat. Come on. Hold it. No, go. Hold it, just swing.
Look at that.
Wow.
잘생겼어. 우와.